Welcome back to the Midday News. We now have the Midday Sports Roundup with Jeremy Brown.
West Indies women's captain Hayley Matthews says it's important for them to stamp their authority when they take on Bangladesh women in the second one-day international at Warner Park in St. Kitts this afternoon. The match bowls off at 1. Matthews top scored with 104 not out to lead the Caribbean women to a 9-wicket win in the first match. They'll be hunting an unbeatable 2-0 lead this afternoon.
Obviously, coming into this series as the higher ranked team, we do want to go out there and stamp our authority. So yeah, it's really good that we can get the One Love win to go up in this series. But yeah, still 2 more crucial games to go that are going to be very important for us.
Meanwhile, Matthews says the series is twofold for the Windies women, having lost to India late last year.
Yeah, well, we've obviously got World Cup qualifiers coming up, which is going to be super important. And this is the only ODI series that we do have before it. So this is, I think, really good warm-up, really good practice for us and really good preparation. So yeah, I think like tonight, once we can use it well, we'll be in good stead for the qualifiers.
The West Indies under-19 women suffered their second defeat at the ICC Youth T20 World Cup after going down by 81 runs to Sri Lanka's under-19s in their Group A contest in Kuala Lumpur on Tuesday. Sri Lanka's under-19s first posted 166 for 5. Captain Manudi Nanayakara top scored with 41, while Sanjana Kavindi made 39. Selena Ross took 2 for 25 for the Windies under-19s. In reply, the Caribbean side was bowled out for 85 in 19.4 overs. Captain Samara Ramnath made 24. Player of the match, Shamodi Praboda, took 3 for 16 for the Sri Lankans. The Windies under-19s, who lost by 9 wickets to India in their opening match, will next play hosts Malaysia on Wednesday. Defending champions Cavalier came from behind to earn a 1-1 draw with struggling Racing United in the feature game of a doubleheader at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex on Monday night in the Jamaica Premier League. Tajay Grant gave Racing the lead in the 27th minute. But Reggae Boy defender Richard King found the equalizer for Cavalier in the 76th to give them a share of the points. The Caribbean champions remained 4th on 32 points, while Racing moved to 10th on 16 points, the same as Veer United, but with a better goal difference. Coach of defending champions Cavalier, Rudolph Speed, praised the Racing United for the tenacity they showed against them.
Usually when you go behind, it's very difficult to win. A draw is usually the most likely result, especially against a good team. When Racing came today, I was really surprised at their energy level. I suppose it's probably the second youngest team in the competition. They ran for 90 minutes. Really good effort from them.
Meanwhile, former champions Montego Bay United are back in second place following their 2-0 win over Malines United in the curtain raiser. Jordan Fletcher and Sinead Thomas got the goals in minutes 46 and 51 respectively. Bay United are now on 37 points, the same as Arnett Gardens, but lead by goal difference. Malines are 10th on 17 points. Karen Ball says she can make a difference if she is elected the next president of Netball Jamaica. Incumbent Trisha Robinson indicated to TVJ Sports last week that she would not be seeking re-election. Ball, who is presently a director at Netball Jamaica and who also chairs the marketing and sponsorship committee, has indicated that she'll be running for the presidency.
Well, apart from my passion for netball for a very long time, I feel that I can make a difference. I mean, every president comes in feeling that they can. And I feel that I can build a team that can help to push netball forward. It's on the rise. It took a lot of hard work and a lot of years for Jamaicans to recognize the full potential of the Sunshine Girls. And I think I can work with Corporate Jamaica to make sure that we take them to as far as I can because they really deserve it.
And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jeremy Brown.
And that concludes the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.